All right, we're going to talk about your average ticket and why is it important that you know what it is. All right, first off, what is your average ticket? First off, to figure out your average ticket, it's really simple. You just take your sales and divide it by the number of customers that you had during the exact same time frame. So for example, let's just say you did $25,000 in April and you had 125 customers. Well, if those are your numbers, then you just take the $25,000 divided by the 125 customers, and it tells you that your average ticket for that month is $200. Now, I understand some sales are going to be higher, some are going to be lower. We're just looking at what the average is for all the people that came in and spent money during a specific time period, because you can use this information to increase your sales. And one of the things that you can do is you can figure out how many customers are needed to hit a specific sales goal. We'll take a look here in a second. And you can also increase that average ticket to increase your sales. Let's take a look at both of them. So if you wanted to hit a sales goal of, say, $15,000, and let's just say your average ticket was $75. Well, we know that if we take the $15,000 divided by the $75, you know you need to have 200 customers in order to hit your goal. So you can actually take the average ticket and the sales goal that you have and figure out how many people you need to process using that average ticket to hit the goal that you have. Whereas on the other side, let's just say you have $20,000 in sales and you typically know you have 250 customers and your average ticket is normally $80. What if you increase that average ticket to $85? What would that do to your sales? So if we go and we do our little calculation of 250 customers times the new average ticket of $85, that's going to tell you that you're going to come up with $21,250. So instead of $20,000 in sales, now you're going to have $21,250. So you can see that you increased your sales by just increasing your ticket average. So there's a lot of things that you can do when you know your average ticket. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing your average ticket, it gives you the power to ultimately increase your sales. Now, if you want to learn more about your average ticket, I have 2 different videos out there that you can go check out. We'll put the link down below, but one is how to calculate your average ticket. We go through more examples and walk you through that. And then also there is a video on increasing your sales by increasing your dollar average. We go over a bunch of different ways that you can increase your average ticket. So if you're looking for some ideas to increase that average ticket, you're going to want to check that one out. Now it's your turn. Go figure out what your average ticket is if you haven't already and you don't know what that is, because you need to know your numbers. And if you like what you see today, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button for even more videos in the future. And don't forget to hit that like button so people know they should check this one out. Now, if you want to learn more about your business numbers, we do have a course, Know Your Business Numbers course. You can head on over there, link in the show notes as well. Now get out there and be the badass that I know you are.